I am Geetanjali. I am basically from Andhra Pradesh. I shifted to Delhi in 2022 December. Yes, I was a PCOD patient, so there is a difficulty in becoming pregnant. I had an earlier miscarriage also. After the miscarriage, there is a lot of weight gain, and after that, we were in Bhopal that time. We shifted to Delhi due to our job. I was searching for a good gynecologist, and through Google reviews, I came upon Rhythm ma'am. I came to her in December 2022. She suggested some weight loss through diet and all. She was very positive. I visited other doctors also, but they were like critical. Criticism was there on my body, but she never did that. She encouraged me to lose weight and try, क्योंकि तब मेरे हस्बैंड का ट्रांसफ़र भी नहीं हुआ था. जब तक ट्रांसफ़र हो जाती है अपना बॉडी फिट रखने को कहा मैम ने, तो हमने वही फॉलो किया. धीरे धीरे सब ठीक होता रहा. पीसीओडी भी लेवल ठीक हो गया, मेरा पीरियड्स रेगुलर होने लगा. उसके बाद हम आईयूआई भी ट्राई किया एक साइकिल का, पर उस टाइम नहीं हो पाया. मैम ने यही सजेस्ट किया कि तुम पहले सारा स्ट्रेस छोड़ दो इस चीज़ का, प्रेग्नेंट होना है करके. उसके बाद बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस वी गॉट प्रेग्नेंट. Here it is very good. Okay. I always call Aarti for any query. She responds accordingly, and she connects me with Rhythm ma'am. Yeah, I'll call Rhythm ma'am directly whenever it is urgent.